Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. And I just want to start off by saying I appreciate every single one of y'all that's been rocking with the channel, showing love. For all the new viewers, I'll be doing a giveaway when we hit 500 subs for a $50 gift card to any sneakers store of your choosing. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to rock your Air Jordan 11 Breds, cause I'm gonna be honest, having the shoes is only half the battle. If you rocking nothing but fire kicks, you gotta know how to drip it out. You gotta know how to put some outfits together to really make them stand out. It's only right. If you got the kicks, make sure you got the fit. Fit number one, starting off with the jeans. Y'all have seen these before, and I'm gonna keep rocking these because they're so dope, and I'll have a few pairs. Light blue distressed skinny jeans from Pacsun. These are the active stretch. Can't go wrong with some jeans from Pacsun. The shirt, we got the black Nirvana shirt from Hot Topic, and this was fairly cheap. What was it, like $9, $10? I chose this one because you want to have some color blocking. You don't want to always match it head to toe. Sometimes you want to take that risk. You want to go out the horizon a little bit. And on top of that, we're going to throw in this like navy and rusty red flannel. Fit number two, we got green zipper pants from H&M. I already have like a black pair, so I have to distress my olive green pair. They're not completely finished yet, but this is what I got at the moment. We got the vintage poster Michael Jackson Thriller shirt. These with the Breds will look hard. And to top it off, we got the Hot Topic jean jacket. I don't know if I'm gonna distress it. I might keep it as is, but I do want to, you know, add Sonny Kicks onto the jacket somewhere. I just think that would be a dope idea. Let me know what y'all think about it. For fit number three, we're gonna get a little formal, you know, a little business casual with this one. I'm gonna grab some navy chino pants. This is winter, of course. Top it off with a nice sweater. From Macy's, and the brand is American Bred. For fit number four, we got the all black fit. Now for this one, you could decide what kind of like jeans you want. They could either be just the normal all black pair of jeans, or if you want, you could switch over to the pair of distressed black jeans. On top of that, throw on a black hoodie. In this case, I went with a black Nike hoodie just to add another layer because it is winter. A gray bomber jacket. And for the final pair, it's easy. Just grab you a sweatsuit and throw them joints on. Let's go ahead and take a look at all these fits.
Hey, I'm the best thing since sliced.
Work pissed. I ain't got no weed today.
Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Please smack that like button, comment down what you think of the outfits, and yeah, make sure you guys are safe. Hope you guys all have a great day and see you next time.